Sometimes you just need a little push forward just to take that first initial step. If you've been following the Treasure Heart Creations channel for a while, you might recall that block number 4 of the 52 blocks, 52 weeks challenge. It was the clamshell, and that block was given to me as a challenge from a quilting friend who was trying to push me into conquering my fear of sewing curves. And she was just basically just trying to say, hey, just go for it. With a few hours of practice, I got pretty good at it, and I was at a point where I was kind of satisfied with how the blocks were turning out. I mean, you could see a distinctive curve, and it kind of looked like a quarter of a circle, so I was satisfied with it. By all means, they were not perfect, but they were good enough for me. I